move into this time of meditation, into a time of prayer and a time of peace. And so as we center ourselves in that prayer, in that peaceful place right here and right now, we start by closing our eyes, if that's comfortable for you. And we take a breath in, breathing in an awareness of spirit, releasing the truth or the worries and the doubts. And so one more time, we breathe in the awareness of spirit, and we breathe out fear and worry and doubt as we center ourselves in the presence of light and of love. Knowing that right here, right now, right where we are, the presence of God is. And so in an awareness of that presence of God, we know and affirm that right here we have the power and the ability to make a choice. And so in this moment, we choose to be bold, we choose to be brave. We call forth the light and the love of God in our lives. And as we rest in that light and in that love, we allow the peaceful presence of spirit to continue to guide us. Knowing beyond knowing, right here and right now, that the divine perfection that we are is the truth of who and what we are. And so we allow that divine protection to move through us, to support us, to uplift us, to allow it to call into our being our true, authentic nature. As the consciousness that we truly are. And so we allow that consciousness to just reverberate through us as we rest in the stillness. So ever so gently, we allow ourselves to come back to this time and this place. Feeling the awareness of spirit that comes back with us. We consciously choose now to carry that presence with us throughout the day, knowing that in any moment we can turn within to power, to presence, to peace, and call that forth into our lives. And so it is. Amen.